Hello everyone, and welcome back to Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we'll never ask for your number or personal information, and we'll certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and spam comments in the comment section. Now, moving on to our topic, we know that one of the fastest growing picture coins available is the Baby Dogecoin. When numerous new coins soar, it is during the image coin era of 2021. Baby Doge has also experienced a remarkable year in 2021. The stable neighborhood gives hope for Baby Dogecoin's outcome. According to data gathered from the project's website, Baby Dogecoin is the offspring of Dogecoin. Baby Dogecoin is a wholly decentralized coin that was launched to support underprivileged dogs through a foundation program. Many crypto experts concur that image currencies are certainly well established in the crypto industry. The picture coins were the year's biggest entertainment, as we saw in 2021. Baby Doge has great potential as an image coin. On the Binance Smart Chain, the Baby Doge project operates with 10 times more efficiency than Dogecoin. In 2022, the Baby Dogecoin project became the fastest growing undertaking on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Baby Dogecoin is more appealing than its father Dogecoin in terms of design and novelty. Baby Doge wants to win over his father Dogecoin and whole Doge community with its faster exchange speed and cute personality. Although Baby Dogecoin now appears to be quite unpredictable, this volatility should diminish over the coming several months. Following Elon Musk's tweet, the volume of Baby Doge market significantly increases and the local population has already surpassed 1 million. However, another tweet mentioning Baby Doge may have this effort reach the top 300 records in the market valuation. After posting, the Baby Doge also completed a massive symbolic food program, according to officials of Baby Doge 29%. Forecast for Baby Dogecoin value in 2022. Elon Musk made mention in the Baby Doge either accidentally or for the reason why the token flooded by 180% in 2021 as a result of his tweet. As a result of local support and tweets from Elon Musk, Baby Doge may continue to trade up and reach an unmatched high in 2022. If all goes according to plan, the Baby Dogecoin might reach a maximum level of $0.000000075 constantly in 2022, while the basic cost might be as low as $0.000000045. and the usual cost as high as $0.000000061. Forecast for Baby Dogecoin value in 2023. Our Baby Doge price projection indicates that Baby Dogecoin might reach a maximum value of, you can read out the zeros, and 75 by 2023. The expenses of Baby Doge may surge more than we had anticipated during the next bull rally. In any event, Baby Dogecoin typically costs roughly this one. Furthermore, the basic price of the Baby Dogecoin may decrease by as much as $0.000000015 if there's any negative pattern. Is Baby Doge a smart investment? Financial supporters of Baby Doge are somewhat increasing in number. Baby Doge currently has more than 1.5 million Twitter followers. Shiba Inu's trajectory since its launch is likely to be similar to that of Baby Dogecoin. By listing on the major combined markets like Binance and Coinbase, the Baby Dogecoins can increase in value. Financial backers are taking note of Baby Doge's presentation amid the downturn because it's still excellent. We may state that Baby Dogecoin's value is anticipated to increase with time. However, investing in cryptocurrencies is always a hazard. The costs of image tokens change much more quickly than those of other cryptocurrencies. To make the best investment decision, you need to do the most thorough investigation imaginable. Baby Doge, does it have a future? In all honesty, we may state that the future of picture currencies like Baby Dogecoin is uncertain. No one can predict how much they'll travel or when they'll crash, similar to Terra Luna. Whatever the case, we can claim that Baby Doge is a developing project to watch. After a few long periods of launch, Baby Doge has attracted the enormous attention of cryptocurrency community and is now listed on multiple reputable exchanges, including Huobi Global and OKX. Is Baby Doge a worthwhile investment? Baby Doge is displaying a gambling outline section. Baby Doge appears to be reliable based on its universality sum. Many crypto experts have predicted that Baby Doge's value would continue to rise. However, Baby Doge has an abnormally large token hoard, which is a specific mistake. If the Baby Doge group reduces to 50% plus shares, the value may be adjusted. But always keep in mind that each business involves a certain amount of risk. The least secure and most productive resource is cryptocurrency. What do you think about today's video? Make sure to watch more informational videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.